Hey tribe, it's Heather with Heather Bresser Online, helping busy women look like they have it all together to get more done in less time. In today's episode, we're going to go over what products to apply to put on your everyday face and or flawless face. We all need a great skincare routine that prepares our canvas. It's all about the canvas. So, have you watched my what to put on before makeup? It's a previous episode, and I will link to it up in the cards. But it all starts with great skincare. So definitely refer to that before proceeding here. So what's first? First you got to prime. So prime, put on your foundation. Now remember, foundation is part of your skincare. So that's in that previous episode. But we're going to start with our eyes. So prime the eyes. Primer is kind of like when you paint the walls. You put on primer first. It gives whatever you put on it a surface to adhere to. It also helps your eyeshadow it prevents it from creasing. I don't know if you're like me, I have really oily eyelids, so halfway through the day, if I don't use primer, my eyeshadow is non-existent, or I've got the crazy shutter look where I've got all the lines and all the creases and everything. So primer helps prevent that. It gives it staying power, and it also helps the color be more true to color. Next is eyeshadow. Have fun with color. If you're kind of timid and you want to do with just one color, two colors, three colors, or today, like I did, kind of a glam look, go all out for kind of a nighttime look. But eyeshadows are nothing to be afraid of. And what's great about color is if you mess up or you're like, that doesn't look so great, it comes off. Try again. So eyeshadow is fantastic. So with your eyeshadows, are you a one shadow, two shadow, three shadow, more kind of gal? Comment below. I want to know, how many shadows do you use? And do you play with color? I would love to hear what some of your favorite color combinations are. Number 4 is line it out. Today I put on a black liner, but you can have so much fun with different colors. For the more mature gal, definitely try to stay to more of a tight line or right at the lash line. And notice how I didn't go all the way underneath. And if you're going to line one lash line, line the top and not the bottom. Don't just line the bottom. If you just line the bottom, it's going to pull you and drag you down, make you look tired and older. And we don't want that, right? So line it out. Number 5, embrace your brows. And the fuller the brows, of course, the more youthful. But try to stay away from those tape brows. They just don't look, they look great on Instagram. They look great online and on in pictures. It's not cute in person, especially if you're going for an interview. Ooh, leave them tape brows at home. 6 is conceal it. Concealer is your best friend, but you don't need to put on 6 pounds of concealer. If you want just a little bit on where the darkness is, make sure you have kind of an apricot-y color because that neutralizes the dark. And then a little bit to help reflect the light, that is skin tone color. Perfect. You don't need a little bit, less is more. Number 7 is cheeks. Gotta do them cheeks. A little bit on the apples, little bit on the cheekbone, contour underneath, highlighter over top. Absolutely love cheeks. Definitely brings out more youthful look. Mascara. There's so many different kinds, whether from a fiber mascara, a lash lengthening mascara, or where my preferred is one that lengthens and fattens, but not the fiber. There's also waterproof. You can kind of mix the two to kind of make your regular one a little more waterproof. Definitely need to make sure you curl them lashes and before you put on mascara. Number 6, lips. Definitely line your lips, fill it in, and that's one of the keys is to having, so you're not eating through your day and then left with just liner. Line your lips, fill it in, blot it, apply one layer of lipstick, and then gently pat blot to remove excess moisture, and then a little bit more lipstick, a little bit of gloss, and you're good to go for hours. So, bonus tip. If you want to enhance your natural beauty and look healthier, moisturize. It's all about the moisturizer. And of course, that's part of your skincare routine. Number 11 would be eat a healthy diet. If you put junk in, junk's gonna come out, usually through your pores, and that's just not a cute look. So a healthy diet is really, really important. Number 12, protect yourself from the sun. And again, this is all part of the skincare, is putting on a sunscreen and SPF product every single day. Even if it's pouring rain outside, SPF it and protect it. Hey, if you like this episode, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you're notified when we put up new content, which is every Wednesday about noon Pacific time, and with lots of free resources just for you. And here are a few other episodes you might be interested in. One is highlighting and contouring, and the other is brows that wow. And as always, I hope you have a fabulous day.